Alam mo ba na sa halagang 6,000 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging IMG member? Hindi lang ito simpleng membership, it's a complete package. Financial education, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discount, rewards, and opportunities. Hello everyone! This is Nenita Puyong, your financial coach. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga benefits ng isang IMG member? Una, you become an automatic saver and investor dahil meron kang instant 1,000 pesos na mapupunta sa iyong premium deposit fund na maaari mo nang gamitin pang simula ng iyong Soldibo mutual funds through Rampber Financial. We can also learn here the proper way of saving, kung paano ang tamang pag-iipon, pagbabudget, at pag-invest sa napakaliit na halaga kahit 100 pesos, 50 pesos, or 20 pesos kung ginagawa natin ito consistently after 5 years or even 10 years to 20 years. Ito yung tamang ipon na nagawa or gagawin natin na magbibigay sa atin ng passive income in the future. Pangalawa, may libre ka na ring personal accident insurance worth 100,000 to 300,000 for accident and dismemberment. Meron din tayong 50K memorial service coverage from Fidelity Life with 24/7 memorial concierge service. Hindi ka lang makaka-discount sa mga laboratories, meron din tayong vision care at maaari kang makakuha ng 2 pairs of eye frame per year. Kung kailangan natin ng legal advice, meron din tayong 2 legal consultation every year. Makakatipid din tayo sa fire insurance and property insurance. Dahil bilang IMG member, may mga access din tayo sa mga non-life insurances at tayo ay makakatipid kung balak nating bumili ng property sa SMDC, DMCI, Ayala o sa iba pang mga developer. Kung may balak kang bumili ng brand new car, cash or installment man yan, may exclusive discounts to our IMG Auto program. At pangatlo, gusto mo ba ng negosyo or additional business at kumita sa financial industry? Pwede mo ring gawin ang IMG business by becoming a financial educator. You can earn additional income at makakapag-travel around abroad for free. Lahat ng effort mo rito marerecognize at may free short-term HMO pa for MDs and up at worldwide protection benefit kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho abroad at may exclusive additional benefit para lamang sa'yo. 600,000 accidental benefit, 100,000 accidental medical reimbursement benefit, 600,000 act of terrorism accidental disablement. Magkakaroon ka rin ng the secret of savings and building your future, kaya huwag ka nang magpapahuli. Be part of the 30 million financially educated. This is IMG's campaign to elevate the financial literacy sa ating mga Pilipino. Let's connect and upgrade our financial life.